Hi, let's look at this Surds question over here and understand how we can apply the proper indices techniques to solve such questions.
Now, in order for us to do this, what we need to, or how we need to proceed is we need to make sure that we have some term, okay, or some factor that can actually have uh, a whole number as a square root result. Now, square root 20 times square root 3, okay, this is equals to square root 20 times 3. Okay, if you look back at indices rules, we say AM times bm is equals to a times b to the power of m. In this case, the m is actually power of half, okay, because square root is power half. So this is equals to square root of 60. Now, when you look at 60, you can break it up into two factors, which will be 4 multiplied by 15, and we can now break it up again to square root 4 multiplied by square root 15, and that would give us 2 square root 15 as the final answer over here. Okay, so as you can see, the first step was to actually combine the terms together and then look for factors where you know that you can do a square root and get a whole number. Okay, and from there we can get the final answer. Okay, so that is how you approach Surds questions. Thank you for watching, and look forward to more such questions on our website as well as our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.